Your pet doesn't just eat nutrients, their body has to absorb them. Hello, I'm Dave Zanoni. I'm a certified canine and feline nutritionist, and I own an independent pet nutrition store in Hartsville, South Carolina. Now, today I want to talk about something that I think gets overlooked when we talk about pet food, and I'm going to keep this simple. The digestive system is complicated, and we don't need to turn this into a biology class. Instead, I want to focus on a few important parts of digestion and what they mean for your dog or cat. When we look at a pet food, we spend a lot of time looking at what's in the food. Protein, fat, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and all those things matter, but here's the important part. Just because a nutrient is in the food does not mean your pet's body can automatically use it. First, the food has to be digested. Then, the nutrients have to be absorbed, and those are two different things. Digestion simply means breaking the food down into smaller pieces that the body can actually work with. The process starts when your pet eats. The food travels from the mouth into the stomach, and in the stomach, acid and digestive juices start breaking the food down even further. Then the food moves into the small intestine, and this is where a lot of the important work happens. The pancreas releases digestive enzymes that help break down protein, fat, and carbohydrates. The liver and gallbladder also help with digestion of fat. The important thing to remember is this. Your dog just doesn't absorb a piece of chicken, and your cat doesn't absorb a piece of fish. The body has to break those foods down into much smaller parts. Protein gets broken down into building blocks that the body can actually use. Carbohydrates get broken down into simple sugars, and fat gets broken down into smaller parts as well. Once that happens, we get to absorption. Absorption is when the nutrients move from the digestive system into the body. Most of that happens in the small intestine. The inside of the small intestine has a lot of tiny folds. Now, those folds create a huge amount of surface area, and that gives the nutrients more of an opportunity to move into the body, where they can actually be used. Now, once absorbed, many nutrients enter the bloodstream. From there, they can travel to the liver and other parts of the body. The liver can process them, store some of them, or even send them where they are needed. Eventually, whatever's left moves into the large intestine. The large intestine helps absorb water and some minerals. It is also home of bacteria that can break down some of the material that was not digested earlier. And finally, whatever the body cannot digest or use leaves as waste. So when you look at the entire process, nutrition becomes more about simply reading the ingredient list. Yes, the ingredients matter. The proteins matter. The fat matters. The vitamins and minerals matter. But there's another question we should be asking. Can those animals actually digest and absorb those nutrients? Because what goes in the bowl is only the beginning. What your dog or cat can actually use is what ultimately matters. So the next time you pick up a bag or can of pet food, remember this. Your pet doesn't just eat nutrients. Their body has to digest them, absorb them, and put them to work. Your pets deserve the best, and I'm here to help. Stay informed, stay kind, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you very much.